Click on the link below to get price. The IWAE 3.5 ton 14.3 SEER2 central heat pump split system is an impressive addition to the HVAC market, delivering efficient heating and cooling solutions for residential spaces. This multi-position heat pump system excels in adaptability, allowing for various installation configurations such as horizontal, vertical, or upflow applications. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who need a reliable heating and cooling system that can fit into different architectural layouts. One of the standout features of the IWAE heat pump is its energy efficiency. With a SEER2 rating of 14.3, it operates efficiently, helping to reduce energy bills without sacrificing performance. The eco-friendly refrigerant used in this system ensures compliance with modern environmental standards, making it a responsible choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the comprehensive manual and clear instructions that come with the product. Most homeowners with basic HVAC knowledge can manage the setup themselves, saving on installation costs. The system operates quietly, which is a significant advantage in residential settings, where noise can be a nuisance. When it comes to performance, the IWAE heat pump does not disappoint. It efficiently heats during winter months and cools effectively in the summer. The temperature controls are responsive, ensuring that your home maintains a comfortable climate year-round. Additionally, the system has a built-in defrost capability, enhancing its reliability during colder weather. Maintenance appears manageable, with easy access to key components, making routine checks and servicing hassle-free. The manufacturer also offers a solid warranty, providing peace of mind regarding the longevity of your investment. Overall, the IWAE 3.5 ton 14.3 SEER2 central heat pump split system is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking an efficient, reliable, and versatile heating and cooling solution. Its performance, energy efficiency, and ease of installation make it a worthwhile investment for any residential property.